जय श्रीमन्नारायण 23rd श्लोका of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Om Tat Sat Iti निर्देशो ब्रह्मणः त्रिविधः स्मृतः ब्राह्मणाः तेन वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च विहिताः पुरा। ओम Whenever you hear the words, the sounds Om Tat Sat, immediately remember our scriptures, Vedas, which are eternal, flawless and most authoritative. Try to preserve our Vedas in every possible way. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana. Whenever I hear the divine sounds, Om Tat Sat, I shall remember our scriptures, Vedas, and I shall try in every possible way to preserve our scriptures, Vedas. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతముపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఓం హరయే నమః. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 355th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra. saying that, "Oh Parikshit Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma sending his friends to the Brahmanas who were doing yajna." And Krishna Paramatma saying like this, "Oh my dear friends, go to those Brahmanas and then Vodanam Yachata, beg for food, ask them to give you food. Kirtayantaha Bhagavata Aryasya Mamacha Abhidham." You can take my name, my brother Balarama's name also, and you can tell them that we sent you for food. Like that, when Krishna said, Gopalas, those friends went to Yajnasala and they did namaskaram to Brahmanas. Kritanjali Puta Vipran Dandavat Patita Bhuvi. They did Sashtanga Namaskaram while folding their hands. All those Gopalas requesting those Brahmanas like this, "Ho Dharma Vidulara Ardhi Pradatalara Pettudannambu." "Oh my dear great people, please give us food. We sent by Krishna. Krishna and Balarama, they are taking care of cows. They are also feeling very much tired, and please give us food. Oh my dear Brahmanas, you like great people usually call people who are hungry and voluntarily give the food. Now we are asking you to give us food." Like that, when those Gopalas requested Brahmanas heard them but pretended that they did not hear anything from them. Like that, they completely ignored all the Gopalas. Those Brahmanas are drowned in activities, karma kanda. That means only for mundane and other world's pleasures. They are doing all these yajnas and other activities which are causing them so much of pain. So that is how these Brahmanas does know only how to do activities to gain something. They are not into jnanam. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 23rd sloka. Om Tatsaditi Nirdesho Brahmanas Trividhasmrutaha Brahmanastena Vedascha Yajñascha Vihitah Pura. Om Tatsaditi Nirdeshaha Brahmanastrividhasmrutaha Brahmanastena Vedascha Yajñascha Vihitah Pura. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.